Okay guys, so we're going to take a look at question 13 there now. And question 13 has a function in it that says nx is equal to 4x squared minus 3x plus 3. And what we were asked to do is we're asked to find the value of nx based on what comes up. So we're going to ask to find n of minus 2. Very simple. All we have to do is substitute minus 2 in for all of the spots where we see x. So that becomes 4 minus 2 squared minus 3 minus 2 plus 3. And then we just finish off simplifying this as best we can. So that's going to be 4 times 4 plus 6 plus 3, which equals 16 plus 9, which is going to equal 25. So my A value is going to end up being 25. So now, when I come back to look at B, B is going to be n of 5. So when I go to do n of 5, I do the same thing again. It's going to be 4 times 5 squared minus 3 times 5 plus 3, which is going to equal 4 times 25 minus 15 plus 3, which is going to equal 100 minus 12, which is going to equal 88. No, 78. Yeah, 88. Sometimes my math goes away too, guys. So, always important to check your answers. Alright, so now we'll take a look at C. So C is n of minus h. We do it the exact same way. 4 minus h squared minus 3 minus h plus 3, which means that we're going to actually have 4h squared plus 3h plus 3. And guess what? That's as far as we can go with that one because we don't know what h actually is. So now we'll take a look at D. Oops. Hang on now. I pressed the wrong button then. D is going to be n of 1 plus c. Now you're going, well, how do I do that? Well, same way. 4 outside of 1 plus c squared minus 3, 1 plus c plus 3. So, first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to work out what 1 plus c squared is, and then multiply 4 by it. So I'm actually going to work this part out first. So that's going to be 4 outside of 1 plus c times 1 plus c. So I'm going to have 1 plus 2c plus c squared minus 3 outside of 1 plus c plus 3, which gives me 4 plus 8c plus 4c squared minus 3 plus 3c plus 3. Again, I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to start with the 4 squared one, which equals 4c squared. Now I'm going to do just the ones that have a c in it, plus 8c plus 3c plus 4 minus 3 plus 3. And now that's going to give me 4c squared plus 11c. These two are going to cancel each other out, plus 4. And that's going to be my answer. That's probably the hardest one of them to do, and what most people will kind of goof up on is they'll forget to multiply this part here out. So just let me go through that one part again to show how I ended up with this. So I had 1 plus c squared, which is equal to 1 plus c times 1 plus c. I use my properties, and I'll get 1 times 1 gives me 1. I get 1 times c gives me a c. I get this c times 1 gives me a c. This c times c gives me a c squared, which equals 1 plus 2c plus c squared. As you do more and more, this part here gets to be a little more, you get a little more used to doing that type of stuff. Anyway, that should cover that one quite well. So